Have you ever promised yourself, this is the last drink? Maybe you've tried cutting down. Maybe you've stopped drinking for a few days, weeks, or even months. But somehow, alcohol finds its way back into your life. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Millions of people around the world, and thousands across India, have faced the same struggle. The good news is that many have found a way to live a sober and fulfilling life. To understand alcohol dependence, you can go to the video link being displayed in the top right corner. Now, if you find your pattern of alcohol consumption has taken control of your life, recovery can be difficult because alcohol problems often thrive in isolation. Many people feel that nobody truly understands what they are going through. This is where support becomes important. If you are experiencing alcohol dependence, seeking help from a psychiatrist or addiction specialist is an important first step. Alcohol withdrawal can sometimes be dangerous and may require medical treatment. Medications may also help reduce cravings and support recovery. However, recovery does not end after detoxification. Long-term recovery often requires ongoing support, and this is where Alcoholics Anonymous can play a valuable role. So, what is Alcoholics Anonymous? AA is a fellowship of people who come together because they share a common problem: the inability to control their drinking. Membership is open to anyone who wants to stop drinking. There are no membership fees or special qualifications. AA is not a treatment center, rehabilitation facility, political organization, or religious group. Its primary purpose is simple: helping people achieve and maintain sobriety. The foundation of AA is peer support. People who have successfully remained sober share their experiences, challenges, setbacks, and recovery journeys with those who are still struggling. You may wonder, how can talking to other people help me stop drinking? The answer lies in shared experience. When someone says, "I know what you're going through because I've been there myself," it creates something powerful: hope. AA meetings provide a safe and supportive environment where people can share their struggles, learn practical coping strategies, celebrate recovery milestones, and receive encouragement during difficult times. Most importantly, they realize that they are not alone. AA's recovery program is based on the 12 steps. These are not rules, but a structured pathway to recovery. The journey begins with accepting that alcohol has become difficult to control and recognizing the need for help. Members are encouraged to develop hope, take an honest look at themselves, identify harmful patterns, take responsibility for their actions, and make amends wherever possible to people who may have been affected by their drinking. The later steps focus on continued self-reflection, personal growth, helping others in recovery, and maintaining sobriety one day at a time. Many people find that the 12 steps provide not only a way to stop drinking, but also a framework for building a healthier and more meaningful life. AA groups are also guided by the 12 traditions, which help maintain unity, confidentiality, self-support, and independence. They ensure that AA remains focused on its primary purpose, helping people recover from alcoholism. An important point to remember is that AA does not promote any particular religion. Members are free to understand spirituality in their own way. Many AA members have remained sober for years and continue attending meetings because they understand the importance of staying connected to recovery. Helping others also strengthens one's own recovery. Alcoholics Anonymous has a long history in India, dating back to the 1950s. Today, meetings are available across many states and cities. Whether you live in a large city or a smaller town, support may be closer than you think. Before we end, remember this: recovery does not happen overnight. It happens one day at a time, one decision at a time, and sometimes one conversation at a time. If alcohol has become a problem in your life, reaching out for help is not a sign of weakness. It is often the first step toward reclaiming your health, rebuilding relationships, and creating a better future. For information about Alcoholics Anonymous India and to find a meeting near you, visit agsoindia.org. Thank you for watching. Recovery is possible, and help is available. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your loved one who can benefit from watching it.